Alrighty, so today we're back. We are in the Ranger and we are fixing the shifter bushings. And if you've ever owned an older Ford Ranger with the manual transmission, you've probably come across this issue. So here's the issue. That's in gear. A lot of play. So first step, unscrew the bezel, or whatever you want to call this, around the shifter. Yeah, enjoy it. All right, so then grab a different screwdriver when you realize your ratcheting one doesn't fit down in the hole. All right, so then down here on the base of the shifter is a nut. It's a 17. If you move your shifter, you can see there's a bit of thread on the other side. Thread it onto the opposite side and tighten it, and it will pull the shifter pin, or the pin that attaches the shifter to the rest of the, thing, out. All right, so here's what we're talking about. Yeah, it's just a tapered pin. So by threading this on and tightening down, it'll pull it out. And then make sure you're in neutral. The shifter can come off. Now, down in here, there are 3 Torx-headed bolts that need to come out, and I'll show you what we do after that. But yeah, you can see there's, the bushings in here are just gone. Alright, so with all 3 of those out, you can go ahead and pull your shifter out. And, surprise, surprise, there's legitimately no bushings in there whatsoever. There's supposed to be bushings. Apparently on these, the transmission itself, the transmission fluid eats away at them. So, yeah, you're left with nothing. Next, we gotta get these 2 pins out, so we can get the rest of the, so we can get the new bushings in. Okay, so project update. Pins are still not out. Somehow I dropped a Torx socket down in here. Yeah, now we're gonna see if it'll come out with the drain pan. Alrighty, we're back at it, day 2. I have gotten a magnetic pickup tool and one of those flexible grabber claws. So we're gonna see if we can get that Torx socket out of the transmission. Yeah, we'll go from there, and then we'll see if we can finally get this damn shifter rebuilt. Alrighty, we are back at this, day 3 of trying to get this Torx bit out. I bought a bendy magnet on a stick. Hopefully this has a lot better luck than the claw. I wanted a bendy magnet on a stick originally, but the auto parts store didn't have one in stock, so I bought a telescoping magnet and a bendy claw. The telescoping magnet ended up being too big to fit down in the shifter hole, and too straight and non-bendy to fit up the drain plug. And the claw didn't really do much. I think even if I was able to get it around the socket, it would have been too weak to hold it, because it had a hard time grabbing the sockets I have left. Missing the T30. So hopefully this gets it out. If not, tomorrow I'm buying a boroscope that connects to my phone. So that way hopefully I can get some eyes in there. And yeah, but hopefully today we'll be getting the socket out. Yeah, we can finish the shifter rebuild that took hopefully 3 days. Holy shit. I got it out. Oh my god, that's the happiest thing I've ever seen. Alright, words cannot describe how happy I am right now. I'm having to rest my hand on the steering wheel because I am literally shaking with how happy I am to get this little fucking shit out of the goddamn transmission. Lesson learned. Next time, if I drop something down a hole and I can still see it, grab the magnet first. Don't use fingers. But yeah, got it out. Looks like it's got, I don't know if you can see that. Looks like it's got some gouges in it. So I guess score 1 for whatever gear went across it. But yeah, now let's finish the shifter rebuild. That's taken me what, $40 worth of fluid, a grabby claw, a telescoping magnet, a bendy magnet on a stick, and there's something else I think too. Whew. All right, this 20-minute job has taken 3 days, but it's almost done. Oh hey, DHL's here. Okay, so I've already done part of this because I just decided I was going to say fuck it and, you know, put the shifter back together. But if you pound out one of these pins, you can actually slip the bushing in. You should ideally pound out both and replace them, but I am just kind of done with this project. But yeah, new bushing. There's a wave washer that goes under it. So on your shifter, there is a flat spot where that this tapered thing goes. Remember which side it goes on because it's important. Yeah, shifter goes right in there like that, and then already with that in, you can kind of see it doesn't wiggle around as much. Then your top bushing goes in, and then this top plate goes on. All right, so with the top plate on, you can see there's no up and down play, very little, if any, side to side play. Yeah. So I'll go ahead and throw this all back together and we'll show you that. All right, so slots into gear nice. When it's in gear, there's only that much play, which is way better than before where it was like this much play in every gear. So yeah, there you go. That's how you replace your Ranger's shifter bushings, drop a torque socket into the transmission, freak out about it, and then spend 2 days fishing it out and finish the job up. So yeah, thanks for watching.